How to use Instagram's new feature to hide followers, a step-by-step guide. Instagram is always rolling out new features to enhance user experience, and one of the latest updates lets you hide your followers. This can be particularly useful for those who want a bit more privacy or control over their follower list. Let's dive into how to do this with a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Start by opening your Instagram app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version, as new features are often included in updates. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. On your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the page. Step 4. Privacy settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. This section allows you to manage who can see your content and interact with you. Step 5. Adjust follower settings. Look for the option labeled a followers or a followers list. Here, you'll see the new option to hide your followers from other users. Toggle this switch to the on position. Step 6. Confirm changes. Make sure your changes are saved. You may also want to double-check that your follower list is now hidden by viewing your profile from another account or device. And there you go. With these simple steps, you can easily hide your followers on Instagram, giving you more control over your account's privacy. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.